So in this Apple Notes tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to format text as a heading font here in the Apple Notes application. So just for a little bit of context here, when you're typing words in the Apple Notes app, you can actually format the text in a bunch of different ways. You can use title font, heading font, subheading font, etc. For this demonstration, we'll use heading font. So if you wanted to make a title right here, just like that, press on double A right here. You can press on title just like that. That is your title font. Now, if you want to make subheading font, or heading font, I guess right here, let me just type in the word heading font. Double tap this right here. Go to the bottom, press on the capital A and the lowercase a to open up the format tab. Where it says title, beside that it says heading, press on heading right here. And now you have your heading under the title, or in whatever case you want to use this. That is how you guys can use the heading font. So super straightforward, super simple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.